What's up, guys? It's your boys from Nahhas Outdoors. And today we're going to do a very special unboxing from a very special company, and that's Outsider Tacklebox. So what we did, guys, we got in contact with Outsider Tacklebox, and we told them about the trout fishing tournament that we're going to head out to tomorrow. They hooked us up with a bunch of gear. But right before I unbox this box or show you what cool gear that they sent to us, I want y'all to go into the description, click the link, go to Outsider Tacklebox, buy yourself any species box you want, and use the coupon code FISHMORE and get the box for only $2. And let's get right into this box.
But it can buy me a boat, it can buy me a truck to pull it, it can buy me a Yeti 110.
So once I opened this box, guys, I noticed that they gave us this bomber coupon. All right, guys, so let's see what we got in this package. Just some stuff. Here it goes. Outsider Tacklebox. You can actually go buy their t-shirts. I believe it's $10. No, I believe it's $10 or $20. But these t-shirts are very nice quality. I really recommend y'all buying these t-shirts. They're very good quality. They're only like 10 or 20 bucks, so it's really good. And they gave us some t-shirts, and right now they gave us 2 boxes. So let's open this first box and see what they got us. Okay, so right from opening this box, I do see some good fishing gear. I see this Joe's Fleas. This is perfect for trout. If you look at it, this is great for trout. So we got this rainbow looking trout spinner. This is $4.99, and you know, if you use the coupon code FISHMORE on the first box you get, it's only $2. So you're getting your money back just by one lure, you know. So this is good. So on to the next item. They got this Jenko Fishing soft type of like lizards or worms. I don't know what it's called. It's called a paddlefly pepper dew. Now the colors are these are crazy. They look really nice, and I'm pretty sure trout will bite on these. Very nice colors. Oh man, wow. This thing right here is a trout killer by itself. It looks like a fly. And it's from the same company as the other thing. This is Joe's Flies. This thing is stupid crazy. Like, if you look at it, like, this is like one thing I do like about Outsider Tacklebox. They give you the top of the line quality products. Like, look at this thing right here. You would never find this in a mystery or lucky tackle box, you know, but only at Outsider you can get stuff like this. So I really advise you guys to go check out their items. On to the next item. Oh, this is really good. This is a Cast Master. I do see these at Walmart a lot, and this is pretty good, and it's $4.29. This is a good item right here. Here we go, some knot head tackle. It's pretty nice. $2.99. Pretty nice. Trout will bite on these. I'll tell you that, due to the colors, the crazy colors they got. Oh man. Here we go again with the little rippers, and now I'm positive that the trout will bite on this. Lip Rippers is a very good company for the trout products, like especially these right here. These, I don't know if you guys can see, like glowing worms. I'm pretty sure trout will bite on this. So $6.99, and definitely trout will bite on this. Wow, they hooked me up with some trout magnet, guys. These are actually really good bobbers for trout fishing. These are specially made for trout. All right, wow, they hooked me up with a Blue Fox spinner. This thing right here is like $3.99. I'm pretty sure this is worth more in the stores, but look at how crazy this looks. Like, I really thank Outsider Tacklebox for hooking me up with all this stuff. And they got this bite-on fairy flakes. Oh, I believe this is what they feed them in the hatchery, so I'm pretty sure stock trout and wild trout would bite on these if you were to go fishing. And the thing is, it's $10.99. Right here we got some Floral Silk Monic Ice 3-pound line. It's $5. Alright guys, now since we're done with this box, let's go on to the second box. Going through them, guys, wow, this is a very nice looking power bait right here. Going through them, guys, I think they hooked us up with the same exact stuff, just different colors and stuff, which is a very huge bonus. Huge shout out to them. Yeah, guys, by the looks of it, they gave us the same thing, but they gave us different colors, so that is a huge bonus. Now, I really thank Outside of Tacklebox for hooking us up with such great gear. All right, after going through the second box, guys, they did hook us up with the same thing that they hooked us up in the first box. Looking through, Outsider Tacklebox came through again and hooked us up with a bunch of gear. Now, just to remind you guys, if you use the coupon code FISHMORE, you will receive your first box for only $1.99. And also, if you use the name Nahhas Outdoors for the referral box, you will receive another free small box just with a couple extra lures. And yeah.
Huge shout out to Outside of Tacklebox for all the great gear. You guys need to check them out. Can you guys please like, share, and subscribe? Hopefully, guys, the trout fishing tournament video will be uploaded later on this week. Just tune in and check on the channel daily just to see when it will be dropped. And I hope you guys like the video. Can you guys please like, share, and subscribe? And I'll catch y'all later.